Long ago, in a green land by the sea, the forest was protected by two divine spirits, Pancharuli and Guliga. They looked over the people and kept peace in the village.
O Pancharuli Deva, the rains are less this year. Please bless our land with good harvest.
Do your work with love and honesty. The earth gives to those who care for her. We will help. We will guard the forests and fields.
Oh no! Someone is cutting trees deep in the forest. The animals are scared.
We must tell to Pancharuli and Guliga.
Maybe the woodcutters think the trees will grow back overnight.
Let's stop them.
Wait, we should first ask Pancharuli Deva for guidance. Greed disturbs the balance of nature.
The forest is not a treasure to take. It is a home to protect.
Then let's show them what teamwork means.
Yes, go my Ganas. Teach them with kindness, not with anger. Thank you, Devas. The forest is safe again. Remember, humans and nature are one family. Protect the land and it will protect you.
We did it. We made balance and peace. Nature is divine. Let's keep it alive.
वराहरूपं दैववरीष्टं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् वराहरूपं दैववरीष्टं वराहरूपं